Hello, I'm Kate Stichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. Investors who are inclined to the risky deals decided that finally it is their time to dominate at the market. However, the initiative of the US President Barack Obama in the sphere of banking operations regulation probably dashed these hopes, having left the investors before they had prospect. Even until Obama suggested to accept requirements to banks similar to those which were prescribed in Glass-Steagall Act, which existed up to the end of 1999, the investors' propensity to risk was weakening against the background of optimism decrease concerning the strength of the world economy recovery. The reduction of the euro against the Japanese yen, observed recently amid the reinforcement of the unwillingness to risk, is shown at the chart. The talks about that Beijing in the second quarter will raise the interest rates in order to prevent overheating of the economy probably were the main reason for this situation. It hardly can be called as good news for those who were expecting that China will continue to support the world economy during recession. The fact that anxiety concerning tightening of the policy in China, aligned with growing fears with regard to the strength of the most part of the largest economies, including Japan, Great Britain and the USA, has just worsened the moods at the market. At the same time, the dispute between the European Union and Greece on the subject of the Greek budget deficit volume and threat of boycott against the Greek securities made the situation even more indefinite and induced the world investors again to use the asylum currencies, whereas before they withdrew funds from such assets. The unexpected step of Obama guarantees that investors will not start to withdraw their funds from the asylum currencies again right now. His plans directed to the limitation of the risk operations by means of prohibition for banks to mix together the commercial operations and trading of financial tools on their own account has a long way though the Congress, at which these plans can be leveled out, when the bank lobby will be involved in work. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.